Okay, the eBay, by its own admission, had some weakness. I do believe you have the CEO of eBay coming on.
Yes,
that'll
we
be valuable.
Jamie, I know,
because they said it was a slight miss. And now there's the issue here is promoted listing volumes. They're saying, listen, don't worry about it, we made money, but the volumes are down and down significantly, I think. When it comes to Bumble,
well, they had tough comparisons at eBay, and the stock is actually up. But they did. You're right. I mean, it was a year ago, everybody was at home,
right,
buying stuff online.
Well, that's the problem with a lot of these is that we look at. I have all these companies on all the time, but what's an opening story is Bumble, and I look forward to speaking to them because they have a premium tier that's doing incredibly well. It's down. Unforgiving market.
Yeah.
Okay, because that was a good quarter. I'm sorry, I'm not going to back away from that. Sonos, if Sonos is down, that's the end. Okay, because Sonos' quarter was by far the best of the night, and thank heavens, at least it's up $3. I loved that quarter. Palantir, big revenue boost. That's an ape stock.
Yes. They don't tell you much, though. It's one page.
Well, it's a black box, David. We don't know what they're in.
I actually went to look for the filing, but it hadn't been filed yet. So all you're going to deal with on Palantir is one page.
I don't know how much.
It gives you some numbers.
Well, there's a big
and it gives you an outlook.
Go look at the handout's very good.
Oh, I didn't see the handout. Okay, there you go.
I have the handout. I'll give it to you during the break.
Look at him. He's always more prepared than I am.
Palantir, with this move today, is going to go back into the black for the year.
Well, that's important because this is a stock that represented a whole new class of companies that were, I'll call them wood. This was like an original wood stock.
Remember, it was a direct listing, so they didn't actually raise capital through the sale of the stock, but they obviously had a lot of selling shareholders.
I think that
because it had been a private company for 20 years. I mean, very long period of time. That it sat in private hands.
A direct listing that reports next week that I'm very interested in is Roblox. I think that this could be that last quarter was disappointing. I say that this could be a quarter that might work for them. Stock was up 6 crazily last week, but that's one to watch. That's August 16th. Roblox is my pick in the CNBC contest that we had.
Really?
Yeah, that was my pick. I'm up nicely.
That was your pick? In like the draft? Pick. That draft?
Yeah, the draft.
Oh.
What'd you pick?
Well, I got the 10Q from Palantir. It's out.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
There is, with Sonos, comes a move to buy Best Buy. This is, again, AZEK, by the way. These are all things that make it so that your house is nicer. AZEK with up $2.80, up to $7.49. I use AZEK in my house after doing wood deck 3 straight times. I decided to go to theirs. That's Jesse Singh. He's done a fantastic job. He's out of 3M. So you've got that remodel trade is back on, okay? And I think that's important because home is where the money is.
Well, it doesn't hurt that lumber prices are now lower than they were on Election Day.
Well,
that market definitely caught up.
I think that Lennar is an unbelievably good stock to own here. I think the Toll Brothers, I typically do not recommend the housing stocks at this point in the cycle, but Toll Brothers is a really interesting place. 10 times earnings, great balance sheet, and a CEO, Doug Yearley, I would put in the top. I would put him in that top quadrant.